I'm Marie. Welcome to my kitchen. I haven't done a video for a few months now, but my goal for 2021 is to make a video every single Friday. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to do that, please hit the subscribe button and you'll be all ready for next Friday when I have another video out. So today we're going to make an egg bake. And this only takes a few simple ingredients that you probably have on hand every day. You'll need some hash browns, and you can use the shredded hash browns. I use the O'Brien because this already has onions and peppers in them. You're going to need 5 or 6 eggs, half a pound of sausage. I just use the Jimmy Dean sausage, but this is a full pound and you won't need all of that. About a cup of cheddar and about a cup of milk. So let's get started. First off, we just got to spray our pan a little bit. Okay, and then we want to put our hash browns in. Now, it takes about a cup and a half maybe to cover the bottom. It just depends on how much, once you make this recipe a couple times, you'll know if you like more hash browns or a little bit less, but I just cover the bottom. Okay, and then we will sprinkle our sausage on the top. I've already fried the sausage, so you just need to sprinkle that over the top of your hash browns. And if you would prefer to have bacon or ham, you can certainly do that too. I just usually use sausage. Okay, now that we got that evenly on there, then we'll just put our cheddar cheese right on top of that. And here's another, so this is another thing that you can use other cheeses if you want. Cheddar seems to work really good for me, but I've used pepper jack and I've used American before too. And you might want a little bit more than, I put about a cup, but you might want a little bit more than that. And then we have to mix our eggs up. Like I said, I use 5 or 6, and I always buy large eggs. So if you have very small eggs, you want to use probably at least 6. And I've made this several times in a larger pan, a cake pan. So then I just usually use about 10 or 11 eggs. So we're gonna beat the eggs up real good. If you want to use a electric mixer, that would probably work a little quicker. Just make sure you get them nice and mixed up so there's no separated yolk. And actually, the better you mix them, if you use the beaters, it does mix, or it does get fluffier once you bake it. So we'll add a cup of milk and stir that up real good. So now we'll just take the egg mixture and pour right over the top of your hash browns and cheese and sausage. So it doesn't quite, it about covers everything up, but I've already had the preheated the oven to 350, And I just leave it in the oven for about, I usually check it at 40 minutes. Sometimes it's not quite done, but I'll put it in the oven and then we'll be back. So my timer went off at 40 minutes and I checked it and it is done. You'll know if it's done if you stick a knife in the center of it and it's still kind of watery or milky, then you just leave it for a few more, but 40 minutes seemed to work. I like to let it sit for a few minutes too before I cut into it usually, but we'll cut this for you so you can see just how delicious this looks. And it's nice and cheesy and eggs look done, so I think it's good. If you do try any of these recipes, please leave feedback for me because I love to hear if these are working for other people or not. I will attach the recipe below, but so if you didn't catch it during the video, that's fine. And I just want to say thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, and I will see you in the next video.